So hi everyone, this is bay number 5 and I started this about 14 weeks ago, so what's that, 68 days, and about 6 weeks ago I put some grass clippings on top of it, but mainly it was just vines from a vine out the front and weeds from the front garden and branches, and it really hasn't done much at all. Very slow. So what I'm going to try and do today is get it with the chainsaw. So I'll just move this out of the way and not the best thing for your chainsaw. I'm going to have to pull it apart and clean it out. I'll clean that out later. Anyway, that has really broken that up a lot. Now if I had a mulcher it would be a lot better. I haven't got a mulcher. So what I'm going to do now is give that a really good water, and then I'm going to pile some leaves and dirt on top of it. Now you can see here, this is just leaves and dirt that I mowed up from the garden, so it's nothing special, not any special sort of dirt or anything like that. It's just waste from my own garden, which I was actually using to make a garden bed, but I haven't got time yet, so it's going in here. Now hopefully we get some rain in the next few weeks so I don't have to keep watering this. But now that all those bushes are covered, if I can keep the water up to this and keep it moist, I'm fairly sure they will start to break down a lot quicker. But just to see whether that water's gone through that pile, see how dry that is just there? So it's really only touched the surface. So maintaining water to a compost heap requires a lot of water and probably daily waterings, but definitely weekly waterings. I doubt whether I'll have the time to do that. So I have to rely on nature and hopefully the rain. And I'll try and come and water this daily, however, I can't see myself keeping up that routine. And also because of the cost of water. I don't have any water tanks, which is another thing on my to-do list. So I'll come back in 10 weeks and have another look. So here we are at day 1 with just all the vines and the leaves and the branches. Day 14, very little change. It's really like watching paint dry. Day 50, I added some grass clippings to add some moisture to the pile, but still it didn't do a whole lot because it's open to the air and it's just drying out and not doing anything much. And that brings us up to day 93, the beginning of this video, where I chopped this pile up and then covered it with all the leaves and the dirt. So we'll come back again in 10 weeks and I might even cover it with a tarp to see if that helps. Thanks for watching.